Hello, so here we have the new Hornby London 2012 train set, which is R1148. It's not long been released. I brought this from Hattons on Sunday. Just zoom out to show you the entire box. These are limited edition out of 2012. Zooming out. So there's a picture of the Javelin on the front, the Class 395, in the Olympic colour scheme, obviously. And it's got the London Olympic logos and a diagram of the track which the box includes. So there we have it, that's the box. I'll show you around it quickly, briefly. So there's showing you everything what's in the box here. So that's all its track, the controller, power track, and then obviously the actual train itself. So the dummy unit, the power car, the 2 Olympic coaches, and another power car or dummy car, depending on which end is, obviously. And then just your scale and product number, etc. On the back, the diagram of the track mat, which is a special London 2012 one, of all the different pictograms, and the Javelin on it itself. Hornby logos, etc., and all your different languages for basic safety. Also point out there is an official sticker here of the London 2012 Olympics, just again showing you that it is official merchandise. So we shall open this. Okay then, so first of all, you get your information pack. So here's the actual track map, an individually numbered certificate with each train set, and obviously all your standard Hornby stuff, the range, collectors club and whatnot. Look at that. Now slightly unusual to normal, they've changed it. There's no more polystyrene. We have a cardboard tube, which in a way is probably better, saving it chipping and going everywhere. There's your track, controller, and down to the business part, the best part, obviously the train. I have to say it does look quite smart in the white livery. I haven't actually had the Javelin in the southeastern colours, but I might look into getting that now. So here's the first unit. Just take it out. So it's got the different logos, the London 2012 logo and the Paralympics on this side. Different pictograms all along the train. The detail is quite well done. The buttons to open the door, etc. Couplings similar to the Pendolino. I'm not sure if they're the same. I'll check that out. Quite smart doors between the carriages. Glass. don't usually pay that much attention. The pantograph, the the radiators, are they called, or something like that, the grills and the fans on the roof. Quite well detailed, I have to say, for Hornby. Very smart model, as you can tell. So I'll pop this one back in and move on to the next one. Next one, just a coach. Again with different pictograms on, just carrying on along the train in the white livery. Same in between each coach. Small warning sign shown here. And again on the roof, very well detailed. People who already have the Javelin will obviously know and already seen the roof Hornby on the bottom, made in China. See the seats and everything inside. Access buttons, yeah, to open the doors. That would be interesting to eventually see the models which do have open doors on. I suppose we'll get there in the future. Next coach. Small pictograms of the Olympics, the different games which will be going on. They're all quite similar, it's just obviously different pictograms. But it is quite smart. Last time I checked, Hattons actually only had 4 in stock. It's £150 I think now. Quite pricey, but I think it'd be worth it. Just bearing in mind there's only 2012 of them, which isn't that many. Luckily I pre-ordered mine at a cheaper price. Just put the next. Get the dummy out. So this one's the dummy unit. Obviously I can tell by the weight, but you won't be able to unless you actually got it in your hands. Again, the London Olympic logo, the horse. I think this one's swimming. Probably wrong. Shooting. The train is numbered 395001. And again another pantograph. And the detailed different equipment. I'm not too sure on how the lights go. I haven't actually ran her yet. I'm not sure if I am. I think I'm going to leave this one in a box, safe and sound. And we just move over to the track. Nothing special here. The new style Hornby analog control, bog standard track. And your adapters. Mains adapter. Your them again. Your insulation sleeve and the buffer stops. Oh. That's everything. Hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.